How to change Snapchat notification sounds in iPhone. Now, if you want to solve Snapchat's notification sounds on your iPhone and change it, it is actually quite simple to do so, but most of you might not know it. First of all, you can simply launch this Snapchat application. Once you launch the Snapchat app and then you make sure that you log into your account, you want to tap on the chat icon that you can find here to come to your chat page. Now over here, if you want to change the notification sound for a certain chat, you want to simply go ahead and then long press on a certain chat right here. Then tap on chat and notification settings as you can read here. Then you can see the option that says notification settings, tap on it. And here you can see the option called notification sound. So you just have to tap on notification sound. And here you can see other type of notification sound that you have. So you can simply go ahead and choose that notification sound. But unfortunately, you will require a Snapchat Plus or Premium version to be able to change notification sound. So this way you will be able to change Snapchat notification sound in iPhone. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.